Are those your real hiccups? Really? Pick me. Oh, no, it's just, babe, it's looking a little desperate with the whole, oh, look at me, you know, kind of like squealy hiccup thing. No, I get it. It's a bodily function. It's just like, you don't need everyone's attention. You know what? Let me take care of this. Hey, guys, she's got the hiccups, okay? Can we give her all the attention she's craving so we can move on and get to our work? No, if it's that bad, we'll call the school nurse. Like, oh my God. Just hiccup how you normally do or hold your breath. Have you tried holding your breath for a really, really long time? Oh my God, stop. Girl. Women empowerment, okay? Look it up.